All right, now example 3, evaluate the following function value, cosine of 4 pi over 3 and tangent of 3 pi over 4. From the previous example, you can see if I have like tangent 70 degree, something that the degree is not on the unit circle, we can use calculator to evaluate. However, for the degree, for the expression or the cosine of the angle that on the unit circle, we can actually use unit circle. So in the unit circle, we will have all of this is radian, but there's some unit circle that also have the degree and which very handy. So this one is 30, 45, 60, 90, 120, 135, 150, and then 180, 210, 225, 240, 270, and then so on. Okay, so of course you can use the one that have degree and the radian measure together, so you don't have to convert like this, like mine. But it's better to remember the unit circle. The more you work on the problem, the more you will memorize the unit circle. Okay, I know it's hard, but it's sometimes the brain will do that for you if you do practice more. Okay, so cosine of 4 pi over 3. So 4 pi over 3 it looks like it's a multiple of pi over 3. So we think of, oh, what is the cosine pi over 3? Cosine pi over 3 is the x value. So cosine is x and sine is y. So this is going to be your cosine. So cosine pi over 3 is 1/2. 4 pi over 3 is right here. It's in the third quadrant, right? So it's going to be negative 1/2 for the x value. So 4 pi over 3 is in the third quadrant right here. And we look for the x variable value because cosine is x. So cosine of 4 pi over 3 is negative 1/2. Negative 1/2. And how about sine of 4 pi over 3? Sine of 4 pi over 3, if you look for the 4 pi over 3 right here as well, then sine is the y value, so it's going to be negative root 3 over 2. Okay, so that's how you read the unit circle. Now for tangent of 3 pi over 4. All right, so we look at the angle 3 pi over 4. Where's the angle 3 pi over 4? It's right here. So the angle 3 pi over 4 is in the second quadrant. And tangent is not x, not y, but tangent is equal what? Tangent is equal y over x, okay? So in these 3 pi over 4 angle, my x is root 2 over 2, negative root 2 over 2, and my y is square root 2 over 2. So negative root 2 over 2 over square root 2 over 2. It looks like it's equal to negative 1. Okay, so that is how you find tangent. So tangent of any other angle will do the same thing. You just take y over x. How about cotangent? Cotangent of 3 pi over 4. Okay, so what we know about cotangent. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So all we have to do is 1 over negative 1, which is negative 1. Okay, so we're gonna do one more. Let's say what is the tangent of 5 pi over 6? Tangent of 5 pi over 6. So we're gonna look at the 5 pi over 6 angle right here. The point is negative root 3 over 2 and 1/2. So y over x. So 1 over 2 y over x, right? So it's 1 over 2 over negative root 3 over 2. And they have the same denominator, or you can think of multiply 2 on top and bottom. You will have 1 over negative root 3. And rationalizes by multiply the square root on the denominator and the numerator. Then we have the answer become negative root 3 over 3. So tangent of 5 pi over 6 is negative root 3 over 3. How about cotangent of 5 pi over 6? We simply take the reciprocal of that. Okay, so reciprocal of 1 over negative root 3 will be negative root 3 over 3. I mean, 1 over negative root 3 will be negative root 3 over 1. Okay, so this one will be negative root 3. Okay, so this is how you find how you read the unit circle, and the rest I left it for you.